Get your nails done, get a pedicure, get your hair did.
Hey guys and dolls, this is your girl Ciara Gifted Hands. I will be curling this unit. I have done a feathered look in the front and I will be adding wand curls to the back. Keep watching. You will notice I will part section with my fingers, hence the name Ciara Gifted Hands. No, I will be parting with my hands a lot. That enables me to curl faster. You'll see me comb and you will see me spray with Big Sexy holding spray. We will be sectioning the hair off horizontally. Sometimes I do it vertically, but right now we're doing horizontal. And we will do this in a brick lay. It's just the way I like to have the curls fall. This is the Spray and Stay by Big Sexy. It's a holding spray, not volume 9/10. And this is what I love to use for my curls. Okay, you will notice I will put a flat iron at the base of this curl. It just helps me with controlling how my curl falls. And you want to just keep curling, just keep curling. I get excited when it comes to making these wigs, so you will see me dancing. And I put a lot of happiness, joy, and love into these units, each and every one of them. So you curl, we hold the one curler downward, upward. I shift as I curl these units. Hopefully this helps you out. I am a more in-depth, hands-on teacher for my visual learners. I hope you catch it. But guys and dolls, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.